What? Yeah. Say hi. There's a spider I just killed. Okay. I'm not touching that. I'm gonna squish your butt. Why Mrs. Mittens. Are you tired? I think she was getting sleepy. I think you get nap. I use that baby voice on the cats because they're cuties and they're still babies, you know. Some are not over a year old. They're still babies growing up. Use that baby voice at them. They like it. Say hi to my father, buddy. I want to make a video here real quick. What the absolute heck was that? For this straight, I'm not afraid to kill. I mean, I guess a stranger. If there's a stranger at the door, then I'm not afraid to fight. Sissy. Anyway, Daisy, what is it, buddy? That thing or whatever that thing was scared me. What is it? Yeah. They hanging on here, huh? Been working on got to the final